Hey guys, hey, Killoren Bensimon. We are in Stuart, Florida at Mrs. Peters Smokehouse. And today I'm going to show you how Mrs. Peters makes her fish dip. So it's the best fish dip in all of Florida. All the recipes are over 100 years old and people are loving this fish dip. Everything from wahoo to mahi-mahi, salmon. It is like literally a fish dip phenomenon. And the greatest thing about it is that we smoke everything but mermaids. Let's take a look. Our first stop here at Mrs. Peters is the smokehouse. They use Australian oak and pine and they put it in the smoker and smoke the fish up to 185 degrees. Today we have wahoo, mahi, and scallops. Guys, before our next stop, I'm gonna try one of the scallops. This is garlic, this is Cajun, and this is me. It's amazing. That's unbelievable. Love it, let's go. So you guys, right now it's 34 degrees and I am with Margarita. Margarita, what are we doing with the smoked fish?
We're gonna get ready to grind it and then put it back in and get it mixed with all the seasonings and everything that has to go in to make the dip.
Okay, so the seasonings are unbelievable and they mix it with mayonnaise. Check this out, you guys, look at it. So this is the mahi right here. Margarita's gonna put it on for us. That is incredible. All right, time to make some dip. Let's go. Okay, you guys, a third stop. We are at one of the dip filling stations and they do it here at Mrs. Peters the old-fashioned way, by hand. Let's go. Hi, Margarita, how are you?
I'm good,
Hi.
How are you?
Let's fill this up.
So we have kingfish here and we dip it into the containers.
Okay.
We do half-pound containers, so it's quite easy. You just dip it, keep it nice and clean, and when you get to a half a pound, we're at a half a pound, you close the lid, you're ready to go. That quick and that's done.
Let me show you guys what it looks like. Cool, right? Great work.
That's
Love
it.
that.
That's all I gotta do.
Let's do another one, quick. Come on, we got orders. We got to make this happen. Okay.
Same thing, keep it nice and clean. We're at a half
Great.
pound. That's it.
You're a pro at this.
Yes, I can do very
Thank you so much, you guys. Okay. Check out all the smoked dips and the smoked fish that Mrs. Peters offers. I'm Killoren Bensimon. We had so much fun going into the smokehouse, going into where the fish is ground and mixed, and then we put it in the containers to go out to your local grocery or Publix food stores here in Florida. I'm Killoren Bensimon. This is Mrs. Peters Smokehouse. We're live from Stuart, Florida. See you guys later.